his reception. At bukod pa dyan, ang sabi niya, he also acknowledged, of course, ang magandang performance ng UST dahil ang sabi niya, ang blocking ng UST ay gumana in their last game at na talagang napigilan ng kanilang top scorers sa sila Soriano at Pineda. Meanwhile, for UST, the team is motivated and determined to today's game, even in the absence of their guest player, Aiza Maizo, na banggit niyo yun kanina. Now, Maizo had to skip today's game to attend to a family emergency, so expect that we won't see her in today's game. Now, ayon kay Coach Villet Ponce de Leon, kahit pa wala si Maizo, confident pa din ang Tigresses at handang humarap sa Adamson nang walang takot ngayong araw na ito. Noel and Ivy?
Thank you very much, Andrea Mulia. Kung ano mang family emergency ni Aiza, that must be more important talaga than this game. So we wish her well. Ngayon, sa pagkawala naman ni Aiza Maizo dito sa UST, halos pumatas na yung height. Although lamang pa rin ang konti yung UST rito, halos pumatas na yung height factor.
Yeah. Well, tama ka dyan, Noel. You know, there are, ilan na lang makikita mo medyo stand out dito sa UST in terms of height. So, again, but still, UST kailangan pa rin nilang pagganahin ng blocking nila into this game.
Well, 9-4 miscommunication there between the Tigresses. 9-5 na ngayon. Itong Adamson, wag yung palapitin lang ng konti. Grabe ito. Habol to from what? 6-7 points down in an instant.
Nakita na rin natin sa mga past games itong Adamson na meron silang ganung klaseng quality, yung kapit. You know? Even if siguro last point na ng kalaban, kayang-kaya pa nilang habulin.
Well, as evidenced by game 1, they were down 16-22. Nakuha pa nila yung 4th set, sent it to a 5th set, and won the match. Pero this time, UST very aggressive sa kanilang panimula rito. It is 10-5 right now. D-Mac. Ito, si Rhea Di Maculangan. Tawag nila dito si D-Mac.
D-Mac.
Parang parang pupunta na ng final si D-Mac. Dito, battle for third lang. Bad reception again for Adamson. Ortiz on the stretch.
Shot.
Here's Zapanta, denied by Tunay, and a point for UST.
So, little erratic movement we're seeing here from the Lady Falcons.
And again, how long does Sherwin Meneses stick with this experimental lineup without Listana and Pat? Here's Di Maculangan, Pineda, Makatuno, Zapanta, everything on that, pero nakabang naman si Mike Ortiz. Maagang pagtawag ng timeout para dito kay Sherwin Meneses. Let's listen in.
Ay nang pumalo doon, di ba? Oo, ikaw pumunta doon. Kung nasan yung bola, nandun ka lang dapat. Ha? Receive tayo, wala tayong receive para tayo makapalo. Isang receive lang yan. Pag may receive tayo, nakakapuntos naman tayo eh. Dahan-dahan ng block sa running. Eh, pinapalo ng running, tapos pinapalo nyo rin. Talagang tatalsik lang yun. Timingan nyo lang.
Medyo cool pa rin si Coach Sherwin despite the fact that his team is down by 7 right now. Tignan ulit natin yung nakaraang play. Mayat Zapata, talagang sinubukan niya yung depensa ng UST. Yan ang naging resulta.
And Michael Ortiz just towering over Mayet Zapata.
And now D-Mac serving once again. Former UAAP best server. Former Shakey's V-League Finals MVP. Ano pa ba hindi napapanalunan nito?
Alas lahat ng title, pwede na eh.
Well, yun, napalakas nga si
Nabati mo na naman, Noel.
Yun ang problema ron eh, no? Now 12-6. The lead is down to 6 points. May Makatuno serving. Mikasas the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Nice serve there. Dusaran gets to it. Here's Mela Tunay off the block. Pineda cannot get there. Good start for Tunay after scoring only 4 points from game 2.
So mukhang Carmela Tunay wants to, gusto niya bumawi ngayon sa game na to. Making up for only the 4 points.
Hindi lang yun. Kailangan niya mag-score para sa kanya at para na rin kay Aiza Maizo who's not here today. And you can see that last play. Pineda just cannot get there. 13-6. G. Reyes. Makatuno across. Angela Benting unmarked.
Right in the middle of two blockers. Angela Benting.
Walang kumuha talaga kay Dai. Tignan natin dito. Look at the shoot across there from Makatuno. Dapat telegraph na yun, pero ang lakas talaga ng lundag at palo nito si Benting.
And well calculated. As well talaga sa gitna dumali.
Right. 13-7. Guevara on the serve. Faye Guevara. Di Maculangan, pumunta pa rin kay Tunay. One blocker lamang. Pero napalakas. No check ball coming. And UST has to play perfect volleyball also. Kasi itong Adamson, bigyan mo na ng kaunting pagkakataon humabol. You know that.
That's right.
Babalik
Totoo
sila.
yan. That's right, Noel. Before they know it, baka nauunahan na sila ng
Yun.
Adamson sa puntos.
Nice serve again from Guevara. Dusaran, Dimac. And here is Lastimosa, dug up but no second ball coming. So Lastimosa with a good start as well for UST. Once again, binabati po natin lahat ng nanonood sa atin sa buong kapuluan. Sa GMA News TV, live po tayo. At sa GMA Pinoy TV sa buong mundo. Pati na rin yung mga nanonood sa atin sa live stream of the league's official website. Here's Pao Soriano, denied by Jesse De Leon. Makatuno, one more time for Soriano. Napalakas naman ngayon. So that is a force field na itinayo ngayon ng UST. Ang 7-6 point lead nila.
Micah Ortiz now for the serve for UST.
Kanina, service error ang binigay ni Micah. This time, a lot better. Makatuno ngayon. Going to Benting. Reyes. Here's Dimac going to Lastimosa. Great block by Adamson.
Solid block from the Lady Falcons.
At si Lastimosa, nakangiti na lang doon. Mamaya, bawi ako. 15-9. Mayab Zapata na.
Zapata, yes, for the serve. Serve is good.
Here is Jesse De Leon, the sophomore. Set up ngayon para kay Benting. Was there a check ball? No.
No check ball. Point goes to UST.
It is now 16-9. Once again, a 7-point lead for the... Patuloy po ang pag-aatid natin sa inyo live over GMA News TV. Ito po ang ating battle for third. First game of the day. Sudden Death Sunday. Dito po sa Phil Sports Arena. Mamaya po, ayun na yung huling laban para sa kampyonato. Ateneo kontra NU. Pero sa ngayon po, UST lamang ng 7 puntos kontra sa Adamson, 16-9. Noel Zarate, kasama po ang Remulla Sisters. Nakatabi ko ngayon si Ivy. Nasa likuran naman banda si Ann. As Mela Tunay serves for UST. Makatuno ngayon, Bang Pineda. Dusaran, magandang reflexes. Reyes, free ball.
Opportunity now for the Lady Falcons, and as expected, they will go to Pao Soriano.
And Pao Soriano deflected there by Jesse De Leon. Lastimosa going cross court. Kept alive. Lebon Fasil, another free ball coming up para sa Adamson. Di Makulangan has to attack. Zapanta ngayon para kay Pineda. Lastimosa, long rally ngayon. Lastimosa, another cross court. This time it's just a drop ball. Pag na-develop ni Pam yan, yung mga nababago niya yung korte ng kanyang tira, she's gonna be very dangerous.
And this time, of course, Adamson not prepared for that hit from Pam Lastimosa.
And again, you know, the experiment of Keith Lebon Fasil playing her first game as libero dito pa sa Battle for Third.
Yes. So, medyo pressure din yung Noel, you know. So, probably she's still trying to get used to the possession and everything in a very crucial game like this.
Pero again, fans, masanay na kayo. Keith Lebon Fasil will be their second libero come the UAAP season. And a good serve from Benting. Pamana naman sa anim ang kalamangan dito ng UST. 17-11. Angela Benting, assistant coach / guest player / phenom.
Slash wala na.
Slash
wala na.
Baka magaling yata magluto. Tignan natin. Here is Dusaran. Di Makulangan ngayon. Lastimosa. Another cross-court attack from Pam.
Pam Lastimosa, very successful with that cross-court hit. Nakakailan na si Pam Lastimosa. Still, the Lady Falcons are not able to defend the hits.
And now 18-16. Here is Makatuno. Going over to Pineda. Wala pang punto si Pineda dito sa ating first set. Set up now, G. Reyes. Makatuno.
Pineda once again denied.
Ganda naman ang block. Jesse De Leon at the scene. So ito na po pinakamalaking kalamangan ng UST, 19-11. Another timeout para kay Sherwin Meneses at unti-unti nang umabante ang UST.
Kaya ako nga inikot si Pao eh. Di ba? Hindi pwedeng open-open tayo. Pagtrabahuin mo yan. Kung galing dito si Pao, detumbad, habol mo. Pag may receive naman, pag binigay mo ng open, isa lang ang block eh. Hindi yung dalawa ang block. Humingi ka ng bola. Isang receive lang tayo. Maglaro lang kayo. Pakadali na naman maglaro eh. Huwag nyo nang paasa sa likod eh. Blockin mo na yung cross.
Well, at this point, makikita naman natin 19-11. UST up by 8 points. Anong kailangan gawin dito ng Adamson as we take a look at this last play once again? Si Sheila Pineda talaga trying to look for her points. Hindi talaga makuha ang ganda ng depensa ng UST.
Well, actually, I think una-una sa lahat para sa Lady Falcons is they have to organize muna yung reception nila. Kung mapapansin mo, Noel, they're having a hard time kasi nga yung reception nila wala eh.
Eh, yun ang pinag-usapan din natin at the top of the coverage. Great serve there coming from Lastimosa. Here is Pineda. Di makulangan. Quick set. Jessie De Leon. Lusot kay Bang. The sophomore strikes again. 9-point lead now para sa UST. Napag-usapan natin at the top of the coverage. Adamson is the smaller team. If they cannot receive, they cannot win.
That's right.
And that serve, yun, ang dami pa ring errors ng UST. I wouldn't be surprised kung lamang errors ang UST at the end of this set. If it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. 20-12.
It's now Pao Soriano at the service line for the Lady Falcons.
Sa lagay na yan, Ivy, wala pa sa UST si Aiza Maito.
Yes. So we could probably just imagine how difficult may be it would kung nandyan pa si Aiza Maiso right now.
Pineda getting it across. Here's Di Maculangan now going to Reyes. Denied there by Guevara. Bang! Finally! Kailangan talaga ang puntos ni Pineda. 7 points in game number 2. Just will not cut it para sa Adamson.
And you know, kailangan ng Adamson well-distributed din ng atake eh.
Right.
Hindi po pwedeng isang tao lang, like example, not only for Pao Soriano because obviously, babantayan na ng UST.
Back-to-back points now para kay Sheila Pineda after a bad reception coming from UST. Ito na naman ang Adamson, 6 points down. Tandaan natin ng game 1, 16-22 ang lamang ng UST. Hinapol ng Adamson to win the 4th set. So no lead is safe here against the Lady Falcons. Another bad reception. And this time, a net violation on Pineda.
So that's a lucky break for UST.
21-14. Yan na, kita mo na naka-display na lahat ng clip. Bumili yata ito si Jessie De Leon kanina. The franchise is here. So, Jessie De Leon.
Paramihan nga ng clip Noel ang ano ngayon eh.
Ganda yan. Girl na girl.
Faye Guevara.
Faye Guevara. Yan, marami rin clip. Oh, di ba? Verde, azul.
The more colors, the better.
Order nga kayong dalawa ni Ann mamaya. Kay Bang.
Oh, sige, tama-tama pag may game kami, magsusot niyo kami maraming clip.
So, 21-15.
Good serve there from Bang Pineda.
Here is G. Reyes now and Benting cannot contain it.
And one observation makikita natin dito sa Lady Falcons, medyo hirap silang kumuha ng mga cross-court attack.
Yun. That's an excellent point.
Pam Lastimosa have scored several. And to think, hindi lahat ng mga inatake ni Pam Lastimosa ng cross-court ay malalakas.
Yun na nga eh. Ngayon, pati si G. Reyes,
Yes.
nakita na rin yun. A great serve from the former best server of the UAAP.
We can see talagang biglang dip ang bola nitong si Reda Maculangan catching the Lady Falcons off guard.
2 puntos na lang po ang kailangan ng Tigresses to wrap up this first set.
Another
Lima.
good serve, but that's outside.
I would just by my estimation, I be 5 service error na UST.
UST. Well, yeah, they've had a lot of errors ng UST came mostly from the services.
Right.
While ang Adamson naman mostly from reception.
Here's Di Maculangan, another running attack. Micah Ortiz, that's almost impossible to stop.
And it is set point now for the Lady Tigers.
24-15, shellacking ang ginawa po ng UST rito so far with 9 or 8 set points without Aiza Maizo in the lineup. Here's Makatuno, quick set to Guevara. Nakabawi ng isa Adamson. So ngayon, Faye Guevara to serve, which means Pao Soriano goes back in front.
So there's still opportunity now for the Lady Falcons. Remember, ito sanay din ang mga ang Adamson dito sa mga gatong kapitan.
7-point lead. Di Maculangan, back set, Mela Tunay. Oops! Don't do
Straight into
anything
the
yet.
net.
Yan na naman ang Adamson. hini-hypnotize eh. Nasulat ko nga sa aking article sa Yahoo Sports eh. Volleyball is still a game of height, but Adamson has been the anomaly to that theory for the past
Parang
decade.
hindi mo ma-prove talaga yung theory kung tama o hindi.
Oo. Here's Di Makulangan ngayon. Quick set, Ortiz. Is it in? Yes, it is.
in. And that gets UST in set point, winning set number 1, 18-25.
So UST nakakuha ng kanilang unang Pineda is able to get it done. Ang ganda ng adlib ni Sheila Pineda doon ha.
Yeah.
Una, nasupalpal siya. Pagbalik doon sa pangalawa, tinapik na lang niya sa taas ng depensa. That's a thinking attacker for you right there. G. Reyes, lakas pa rin ha. Makatuno, running attack. Faye Guevara, sabi ni Faye, kaya ko rin yan.
Again, sometimes yung sinasabi natin, alam mo malalaki ang blockers ng kalaban, malakas ang blockers ng kalaban. Why not use that to your advantage?
Yun na nga eh.
Patamain mo sa kamay.
Yan ang ginagawa ni Angela Benting and I'm sure yan ang tinuturo din ni Angela Benting dito sa kanyang mga kakampi. As Sheila Pineda with a nice sharp serve. Hirap na hirap si Dusaran doon. Hirap na hirap ang UST. Tunay gets it across.
Opportunity na.
Oh boy, Makatuno biglang umatake. Reyes. Nailusot. Lebong Fasil ngayon. For Zapanta.
Who's blocked?
And will UST get to it? Ay, 4
4
touches.
touches already. So good showing now for the Lady Falcons.
Sila na may kalamangan ng 2 puntos. Isipin mo yung stat coming into game number 2. Judy Ann Caballejo will see her first action para sa kupunan ng UST. Replacing G. Reyes. Pero yung stat coming into game 2 of this series, 7 times sila naglaban before that game. 7 times, umabot ng 5 sets.
So ibig sabihin nun talagang match na match talaga sila.
Grabe. Oy, Dusaran, did she get a piece of it? No.
So touch.
And hugging. Eh, Dusaran doon. Sabi ni Dancel siguro, muntik na yun ha.
Buti na lang.
Oo. 10-9, Adamson. Jessie De Leon.
For UST.
Pineda. Running attack. Faye Guevara. This time hindi na lumusot sa net.
Medyo kinampos ng konti a bit. Off timing there from Guevara.
And just like that, the score is now tied at 10 apiece. Back-to-back points now para sa kupunan ng UST. Jessie De Leon. Medyo nakaka-distract yung tape na nakakabit sa balikat niya. At sa tuhod ni
Sa
Juday, ha?
tuhod, yes. Ano nga eh, pa-funky na yung mga mga tips ngayon eh.
Sa Panta, dinaan sa lakas. Oh,
Mike Ortiz, dinaan sa laki.
Dinaan sa laki talaga.
That was a good dunk from Mike Ortiz. Literally, it's a dunk.
Yes, tingnan mo to ha. Oh, binuhay. Oh, yan. Sige, kunin nyo. Sabi ni Benting, asan na yung depensa nyo? And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Jessie De Leon. UST up by 1. They have scored 3 straight. Running attack again. Guevara. Lusot na naman.
This time, Guevara successful, making up for the earlier error.
Paki-explain nga sa akin, Ivy, bakit bakit nangangamote ang depensa pag may nagra-running attack? Alam na nilang parating eh.
Oh, pero kasi ang one thing about the running, it's that yung iba yung take off mo dyan eh. Diba? As you know, pansin mo yung the usual things, you just meron kang 1-2 step, pero ang running hindi eh. While in movement, saka mo siya pinapalo, while kumbaga habang nag-approach ka.
Right.
And there's a lot of room for you para mas madali mo mababago yung direction ng palo.
Great save by Tunay. Eto na naman, this time it's Benting. Wala nang running, open hit na yun. Juday. Yes! Judy Ann Caballejo.
Making some noise for the Lady Falcons.
Tandaan natin, si Judy Ann Caballejo is a former UAAP MVP sa beach volleyball nga lang.
Yes.
Pero dala niya pa rin dito.
Pero alam mo, yung isa, I think that's one of the advantages also for Caballejo kasi yung experience niya in the beach, nagagamit niya yun sa gulang when it comes inside the indoor.
Di Makulangan now. Lebong Fasil. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Nice save by Pineda. Benting off the block. Dusaran is there. Di Makulangan ngayon para kay Juday. Into the net for Caballejo.
3-point for the Lady Falcons and Pao Soriano is back at the front.
At lamang na naman po ang Adamson 13-12. Ngayon si Faye Guevara. Serving. Dancel. Rhea. Mela. Nice dig by Mayet. Mayet now on offense. And Mayet scores. 2-point lead now for the Lady Falcons. Power ni Mayet talaga no?
That's right, hindi kinaya ng blockers.
Nandun na si Maika actually.
But the force really dun sa palo nitong si Mayet made it difficult even for Maika to control that.
Play with a good serve. Here's Pau. Dimac running again. Ay, this time hindi na lumusot sa net yung tira ni Maika Ortiz. And now a 3-point lead for the Lady Falcons. Umiingay na naman dito. Pasiklaban na naman ang mga nagtatambol dito.
That's right. Hindi na naman tayo magkakarinigan nito. Oh, that was a good serve from Faye Guevara.
Here's Dimac ulangan ngayon. Down the middle. Judian Caballero.
Good combination play from the Lady Tigers. Pero minsan yun din yung mga magandang nakikita natin dito sa mga teams na to when they execute yung mga combination play. Yun yung mga effective ways para malito nila yung mga blocker, mabasag ang blocking.
Mas lalo na UST. Ang dami nilang patented combination plays since time immemorial. Gusarang keeping it alive. Caballero, there is no third ball.
Miscommunication from the Lady Tigers kung sino ang kukuha.
Lamang po ng 3 ang Adamson dito sa ating second set. Kami po ay magbabalik. Yan po, www.v-league.ph, the league's official website. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. At nahanap na po natin ang ating face of the day, Shakey's face of the day, si Andrea Jose, 16 years old, taga Las Piñas. Malamang alam nyo kung sino pinapanigan niya rito sa market siya nandito.
Hindi naman halata.
Puti naman kasi yung t-shirt. Yung nakasulat lang na asul, yun medyo booking na siya. So she gets a pizza. Well, of course, pagdating sa second conference, sana dumami na yung mga viewers natin sa television. Dumalaw na rin dito sa ating venue. Pineda getting it across. Di makulangan ngayon para kay Lastimosa.
Oh, that was a good save from Makatuno. They go to Benting.
Benting, hinulog na naman. Tunay. Di makulangan. Ayan na si Maika. May nakakuha ba? Wala. Puntos para sa Adamson.
That was a close call for the Lady Falcons. But good defense. Good save being shown by the Lady Falcons there.
Yan na naman yung patented floor defense ng Adamson. Panahon pa ni Minerva Dulce Pante tinuturo yon. And that
service ace
goes in for Zapanta. 5 ang abante ng Adamson. Timeout, Oji Mamon.
Timeout. UST 13. UST 18.
Butod. Hindi po, sabi ko nga sa'yo, yun ang trabaho mo. Ano ba ang trabaho mo? Di ba first ball, lahat ng galing sa serve, galing sa palo. Hindi aangat ng kusa yung bola na yan kung hindi nyo tatamaan. Ha?
Yan, sermon.
Carmela.
Nakaupo pa yun. Pag tumayo na bakit ito si Coach Oji, 6'4"?
Oo, talagang manginginig ka yata. Nakatingala ka ng sa kanila eh.
Well, 18-13 ngayon. Yan po, unti-unti na po napupuno itong ating venue. May mga bakante pang upuan dito pero mga may-ari na yata yung mga ticket na yan. Because there is still a line outside this venue. Another ace coming from Zapanta.
So it is now the Lady Tigers having difficulty with the reception. Sabi nga ni Coach Mamon kailangan, trabaho nila yan, kailangan iangat, hindi aangat pag isa ang bola.
Tignan natin kung may aangat naman nila ngayon. Hindi na kailangan iangat, hindi umangat yung serve ni Zapanta.
Lucky break?
Yes, because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Pero again, you know, Adamson has really created a lot of headway dito sa ating second set.
And they are doing a good job maintaining the lead thus far.
Benting, Makatuno, quick set, Soriano.
And Adamson making use of that blockers ng UST to their advantage. Ilang mga check ball na rin yun, di ba? Off the block.
Pero si Pau,
puntos.
Si Pau, kahit dalawa pa yan, wala siyang pakialam eh.
Kahit 6 pa silang mag-block dyan sa harap. Kung pwede lang siguro yun no?
And there's Pau again!
Very solid hit from Pau Soriano.
Tatayo na si Oji Mamon ngayon. Let's listen into the UST timeout.
Nasa likod ka Ayaw kumuha ng first ball, inaasa sa'yo. Ikaw naman, wala kang kumpiyansa. Ha? Veterano ka na, dapat confident ka pag kumukuha ka ng bola. Ha? Hindi naman ganun kalakas yung serve nila. Yung palo naman nila, huwag nila i-overball, talaga tutok-tokan yan. Magkaroon kayong kumpiyansa, nakukunin nyo yung bola. Hindi yung nag-aasahan kayo. Sagot kayo lang kasama nyo. Hindi ganun. Okay? Malayo yan, 21-14. Yung 4 na punto sa nila, gapangan natin hanggang makakabla tayo.
Nakita natin sa likuran ni Oji Mamon kanina, si Mayat Carolino.
And I believe the rest of the Team Army is also here watching.
Right.
So, mga familiar face na nakikita natin.
Marami rito. Sa likuran natin, si Liz Gohing nandito. I saw Abby Maranyo in the venue. Here's Mylene Paat now seeing her first action. Pati na rin si Fenella M. Nas, the backup setter para sa kupunan ng Adamson. M. Nas will serve. So, Abby Maranyo, Melissa Gohing, mga players ng Lasal nandito rin. Well, ito yung must-see event eh. Para kung volleyball fan ka
this is really the biggest event thus far.
Oo. Tunay into the net. 22-14. Kung namayagpag po UST nung ating first set, ito naman ang ginagawa sa kanila ng Adamson ngayon. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Caballejo on the reception. Here's the combination now for Lastimosa. Nakabang si Paat. Di makulangan now for Lastimosa. Lusot kay Paat. Nakuha naman ni Pineda. Emnas on the setup now for Bang. D-Mac is there. Paat Lastimosa. Cross-court na naman.
But I think, the entry of Mylene Paat has made a difference in terms of mas naging conscious ngayon yung UST because there's already additional height at the front.
Tandaan na natin, Paat is playing with a shoulder injury. Sa larong to, kitang-kita mo talaga yung balot na ginawa sa kanyang balikat, kaliwang balikat.
And even during the warm-up, you can see also na hindi talaga puwersa ang spike niya.
Nagdalawang isip si Zapata sa pagtanggap nun. Here's D-Mac now going across to Lastimosa off the block. Pineda on the coverage. Emnas on the setup for Pao Soriano.
Pao Soriano, hindi natitinag kahit 3 ang blocker sa harap.
Ano maganda sa Adamson, may sound effects ka kada player. Pag si Pineda, bang! Pag si Soriano, pow! Yan!
Uy, ipaisipan mo na, Noel, ha?
Ay, pag-isipan natin.
Nasa loob.
Hanap pa tayo, hanap pa tayo. Si Paat, nickname yan, Cha. Hindi pwede.
Hindi.
Inom eh. Hinulog
Baka
tuloy ni
mapasayaw
Paat.
ka bigla
Ayan,
dyan,
pag si Lastimosa, bam! Di ba? Ayan, si Lastimosa magsaserve na ngayon. So, titignan natin kung mapam niya yung kanyang serve. 23-16. Adamson 2 points away from tying us up at 1 set apiece. Here is Emnas now with a jump set. Masyado malapit. At bumangga pa si Pineda. Ay! Backliner pala si Pineda.
Backliner, so...
Ito na palitan. Paat will sit once again. Emnas will sit once again. So Makatuno and Benting return for the Lady Falcons.
So they're just 2 points away from closing in set number 2.
Tignan natin kung mahabol pa ng UST ito. Pam Lastimosa, naalala ko nung semifinal, served through 6 points. She served through 1. Muntika na yon. Benting galing sa likod. D-Mac. Jessie De Leon.
Good angle from Jessie De Leon, and that was actually a good option or good play to execute for Rhea de Maculangan.
Oh, nakababa na sa 5 ang abante rito ng Adamson. That's 3 straight points now for UST. Lastimosa, very focused sa kanyang pag-serve. Oh, kinulang lang.
Too much focus na doon.
Na-focus siya sa net, yung bola, siya naka-focus, yung bola hindi. Di ba? Coach Mac. Coach Mac yung pwela, natawa. Buntik nang tumawa sa buong venue si Coach Mac. Si Pam naka-focus, yung bola hindi.
So, next time dapat yung bola magpo-focus kasi.
Yes. Caballejo.
That was off the block. Point now for UST.
Trying to make a close one out of this one. 5 puntos pa rin ang kaalamangan ng Adamson. They also have set points. So 5 set points for the Lady Falcons. Ito na ngayon, Jessie De Leon. Isipin mo, incoming sophomore.
Really a bright future for this young player.
Zapanta. Almost. Caballejo will give up the free ball. Lebong Fasil, Makatuno, Zapanta.
Last touch from Tunay.
25-19, nakuha po ng Adamson itong ating second set. Why are we not surprised that it is now tied at 1 set apiece?
And mukhang 5-setter na naman to, Noel.
Well, we wouldn't be surprised. Dito sa dalawang koponan na ito, they have a tradition. Shake in play ngayon. Makikita natin dito, Mayet Zapata.
Down the line, that was actually outside.
Right. We'll be back. Dito sa Phil Sports Arena, as we take a look at the numbers para sa ating second set. That's strange. Walang nakakuha ng block point.
That's right. So it probably means that the both teams has really adjusted very well in terms of the attacks. And Adamson, although they had less attack points here in set number 2, makikita naman natin doon sa statistics ng errors, UST with 9 as opposed to only 4 of Adamson. I think that made a lot of difference dito sa win ng Adamson in set number 2.
Maika Ortiz. Wala pang sound effects si Maika Ortiz, ano?
Oh, kailangan may isipan mo yun, Noel, ha?
Tignan natin. Maika!
Pwede ba yun?
Parating pa lang, tumatawa ka na. Maika Ortiz with actually 4 of 5 already sa kanyang running attack, or 5 of 6.
That's actually the 10th point for Mike Ortiz.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Makatuno, back set ngayon. Mayet Zapanta. Natamaan ni Reyes, pero hindi na masasakit yan ni Dimac.
And Mayet Zapanta, after 2 sets, is actually the leading scorer for the Lady Falcons with 8 points, 6 points from attacks, and 2 service aces rather.
So siya pumalit ngayon sa utility position nitong si Mylene Paat. Maraming ang fans nagtatanong, ang lakas-lakas ng Zapanta ba't hindi ginagamit sa Shakey's Feeling? Well, yung unang rason dyan, si Angela Benting ginuha yung position niya sa open. Pero ngayon, nilagay siya sa utility, pwede naman din pala.
Actually, I think she started off also yung before. Alam ko dati, di ba, nag-utility na rin siya eh. There have been si Mami Dulce na doon na siya.
Sa U8, open ang nilalaro niya. Etong si Faye Guevara hits into the net. Para sa mga fans na hindi familiar masyado sa mga pwestuhan natin sa volleyball, may mga pwesto tayo dyan. 2 sentro, 2 open, 1 utility, 1 setter sa starting lineup. Ano ba ang pwesto ng mga yan? Paano ba pinagkaiba ng open sa utility?
Well, obviously, una sa lahat pwesto, di ba? But ang open at ang utility, both yan mga wing hitters yan. Doon sila, sila yung mga pumapalo doon sa gilid or sa side. And obviously, syempre, center, spikes from the middle. And usually, yung mga quickers natin, yung tinatawag din nating middle attackers, sila yung mga nabibigyan ng mga mabibilis na play.
Right.
Mga nabibigyan ng matataas, na mabababang bola.
Well, here is Benting. Yan, open yung position ni Benting. Here's Tunay ngayon. Lastimosa, open din yan. Tama ba so far?
Yes, that's right.
Ayan. Mayat Zapanta. Teka muna, mamaya na tayo magpwestuhan. Ang lalakas na ng palo nito mga to. Except that time, Lastimosa just dropping it in.
That was actually, medyo pinapos ang kote. Miss-hit nga yun eh. But then again, point is a point. Sabi nga naman natin, di nakukuha sa lakas yan. Hindi naman 2 points ang malakas na palo. And,
nagulat lang dun si Mayat eh. Bigla na lang pumapagsak yung bola sa harapan niya.
Lastimosa now earns 8 points after 2 sets.
Yung biggest question sa akin ng mga fans, yung mga hindi nagbabalibol, anong pinagkaiba ng utility at saka open?
Well, kung mapapansin niyo ang open kasi mas malaki ang buwelo niyan eh. Mas malayo din. If you notice also how far the sets reach the attackers, iba rin ang usually matataas ang set pagdating sa open.
Right.
Mas malaki din ang buwelo ng mga open hitters.
Lastimosa, malaking buwelo ginamit doon kontra kay Benting. At lamang na ng 2 puntos. So 3 puntos dito ang kupunan ng UST. Rexona anti-perspire deodorant, it won't let you down. Lastimosa, mainit na panimula dito sa ating third set.
Service, Ortiz.
Maika Ortiz.
That is a good serve, but that goes outside.
Tingin, another service error para sa UST. Dapat po tayo na stock service errors lang eh. Ang dami na niya sa UST. Mayet Zapanta.
May Zapanta.
Ito ang pangalan, Louisa May. Ganda naman ang pangalan na yun, no? Here is Carmela Tunay.
And there was a touch
Sabi ni
from
Bang, hindi daw
Adamson.
niya hinawakan. Lakas ng boses ni Pineda. Dinig mo ka dito, ha? Ako! Ay, yung mga...
Baka naman talaga kasi hindi niya hinawakan.
O baka iba. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Tunay, nice serve. Lebong Pasil nakamote sa reception. Too near for Benting. And Benting cannot get it across. Ang ganda ng presence nila ni Lastimosa that time.
And UST leading here in set number 3 by 4 points.
Service.
So parang yun nangyari din ng ating first set.
Oo,
Lamang din
eh.
ng UST ng 4 na puntos nun.
Another poor reception.
Pero a-adliban na ni Benting.
Babawi.
Oo. Again, another thing, ito si May Makatuno. A lot of people think that batang center pa. Hindi na po batang center yan. Matagal na yan. Mukha lang siyang bata. Very experienced and seasoned setter na po si May Makatuno. D-Mac denied by Pineda. Lastimosa.
Again, it is that cross-court hit.
8-4 UST.
The Tigresses have to go all out. Yan ang gusto ni Coach Oji makita ngayong third set. Tulad ng mga paalala niya in the first few sets, he pointed out how the team had poor reception and challenged de Libero Dusaran. Sabi niya, trabaho mo ang mag-receive at dumepensa. Pag ikaw ang umayaw, tapos na tayo. Now, despite the pressure, the Tigresses continue to encourage each other at sinabing babawi sila. Noel and Ivy?
Well, grabe talagang pagbawi nila ngayon. 5 na kalamangan nila. Here's Makatuno ngayon going over to Paul Soriano and Soriano gets it through. So, 9-5. Pero itong Adamson naghahabol na naman.
Parang gusto yata ng Adamson yung ganun eh. Pamisa-misa, nag-aabol.
Hanip sa trip yun.
Oo Parang lalo sila na-challenge.
Ganun ba yun? Ito na, wala na pong laro bukas. Ito na yung huling laban nila dito sa ating first conference. So, they better make good of that one. Wow, G. Reyes.
That's off the block.
Ingrid Reyes started today in the place of Isa Maizon. Once again, if you're just joining us, ladies and gentlemen, G. Reyes started in the place of Isa Maizon today. Isa Maizon not with the team dahil sa isang family emergency, as we thank our friends from Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. So we wish her well. Peggy Barra, kinulang.
But she had the right thing in mind. Not executed properly though.
Eto, Sherwin Meneses. Time for a reality check.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba mag-running ka? Fiesta ka sa running, i-drop ball mo. Ha? Kaya ka nga nag-running kasi maliit yung nag-block dito tapos iuhulog mo. Di sana doon na lang si Net. Ilong mo, ilong. Kasi abutin ni Ortiz yung running back eh. O isa pang running ha. Abang lang sa open, Mayet. 6 na yan, huwag yung palakihin yan. Tara, receive tayo. Dahil, receive mo.
Tama naman si Coach Sherwin. Participate. Okay.
Pero yung isa nga, like we said, diba, that's one of the advantages also for the running hit eh.
Yan po ang aming mga pangalan. Noel Zarate kasama si Ivy Remulla. Marami mga fans na binabasa ko sa Twitter. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko kayo masagot lahat. Tuwing tingin ko, 16 new, 18 new, ano ba kayo?
Hindi makakeep up si Noel eh.
Hindi na ako.
Mahina ang kalaban.
Pero yung isa ko nakita dyan, ipakita naman daw natin yung lady spikers na present dito. Well, nakita ko kanina si Abby Maranyo. Nasa likuran natin si Liz Gohing. So baka mamaya mapakita rin natin sa kanila. Here is Sheila Pineda. And Pineda gets the point off the check. So 11-6 in favor of UST. Pati yung mga legends nga, nabanggit natin kanina, Mayat Carolino is here, Cherry Rose Makatangay is here.
I've also seen Tina Salak here.
Tina Salak. Here is the running attack. Micah Ortiz kept
Good
alive.
save.
Mayet Zapanta. Blocked there by Ortiz. Faye Guevara, second ball. D-Mac. Running attack again. Micah. Nababasa na ng Adamson. Here's G. Reyes. Reyes is blocked. Ay, hindi na nabutan ni Zapanta. Good contribution, galing kay G. Reyes.
That's right. She has scored several hits off the block which has been converted to points for the Lady Tigers.
So 12-6 ngayon. Again, playing in the spot of Isa Maizo today. Ito si Ingrid Reyes. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. D-Mac. Pineda. Makatuno. Mayet. Dancel. Combination now. Reyes dropping it. Lebong Facilis there. Makatuno now in the air for Zapanta. Into the net for Mayet. Uy, nag-rhyme yun. into the net for Mayet. Diba?
Oh, pwede na, no?
Gawa tayo rock album.
Bago na. Pwede ka naman, may bagong career ka
Samahan
na.
natin si Nicki Minaj, ha? Ano ba? Oh, teka, palitan ng tao dito. Now, this is an interesting substitution because now Amanda Villanueva will see her first action of the game. Papalitan si Mayet Zapata. So, from strong to stronger ang ipinasok sa paluan.
Oh, ito isa pang buong bahit lupa rin kasama pag pumapalo to eh.
Parang ano eh, parang lindol pag
Oo.
tumalo yan. Here's Makatuno. Hindi muna ibinigay doon. Binigay muna kay Guevara. Tunay. Nice dig by Adamson. Makatuno. Ay, ito na si Amanda. Di makulangan for Reyes. Off the block. Lebum Fasil. Pineda setting it up for Amanda Villanueva. Lastimosa into the net.
And that is a free point for the Lady Falcons.
Yan. Ay, kita natin, limbering up pa lang itong si Amanda. Di ba dapat pag nandun ka sa coral, kailangan nagwa-warm up ka consistently?
Yeah, but you know, sometimes kasi limited kasi yung space mo doon, so there's really nothing much that you can do.
Oo. Di makulangan, running attack na naman. This time, Micah Ortiz connects.
And you know, we have to expect already that UST will maximize on the fact kasi maliit ng blocker na open hitter.
Right. Nakikita po natin ang ating power spike brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. At talagang down ang
Down.
tira.
Down the line,
Wala, down.
diretso
Wala
eh.
kang magagawa dun. Kahit langgam, patay. Ito ngayon si Villanueva. Makatuno adjusting. Angela Benting has been quiet. Not for long. Mukhang may check ball na
There
may
is a
tatawag.
check ball.
Tingnan mo naman yung Adamson. Magkakasintangkad silang lahat. And yet they're trying to make life miserable for UST. Although UST is up by 6. Fe Guevara. Dusaran. Di makulangan. Lastimosa. Off the block of Soriano. Benting on the setup now for Pau. Tatlo. Nakaabang kay Pau.
And Pau not able to keep that alive.
The Great Wall of España.
And you see how much respect they have for Pau Soriano as an attacker. Triple block
Right.
ang nagbabantay kay Pau Soriano.
And now the serve from Micah Ortiz. Makatuno ngayon. Combination for Benting. Denied by Tunay. 16-8 UST. 30 nyo naman po yan, no?
Ang dami, Noel.
Saan pa magsisiksikan? Maubusan tayo ng hotdog yan bago Pasko.
Kahit lang kami hindi nakasya.
Hindi nakasya talaga. At hindi pa nagsisimula yung ating championship game which will happen right after this one as Pam Lastimosa scores again. Parang nagugulat. Yung nakakatuwa rito kay Pam, no? Parang siya parati nagugulat pag nakascore siya. Oh.
You know, I think, well, probably for her, like, for that particular attack, she was just trying to put it safely over.
Right.
You know, not really with the intention of a kill.
Here's Makatuno and Pau Soriano goes long.
Nothing going the way of the Lady Falcons here in this third set.
Ito na ang biggest lead ng UST sa larong ito, 18-8. And to think, yung Adamson yung nanalo na second set.
Yes. So, ito na sinasabi natin, well, this could be another 5-setter match.
Yun na nga eh. Depende yan sa paggising ng Adamson if they cannot come back from this third set. Deficit. D-Mac. Pam. Nice dig by Bang. Amanda Villanueva gives it up. Tunay. Di makulangan. Quick set. Jessie De Leon.
That's
Missed.
outside. And again, the Lady Falcons struggling a bit with the reception. Wala pa silang na-execute na magandang play.
Well,
Ganun for the past
At
rallies.
sa lagay na si Makatuno, hirap na
Oo,
mag-set. Pero nagagawa pa rin niya ng paraan. But it has to start with good reception. Here's Amanda Villanueva. It can also start with good service. Good serve. Jessie, lusot. Hindi na maabutan ni Villanueva yan. So the quick set for Jessie De Leon. Nakakuha na naman ng puntos para sa UST. 19-9 third set.
Ella Tuna.
Pati si Richie Garcia, ang ating chairman ng Philippine Sports Commission, is also in attendance. Yung mga nasisilip, maghanap ka nga dyan ng mga celebrities pa, IB.
Bukod sa'yo.
Wow! Inulog ni Pau Soriano. Ayan, si Miss Bacoor, nandito sa kanan ko. Si Andre Mulia. Ayan, Miss Bacoor na may baon na naman pagkain kanina. Sosyal na tinapay.
Of course.
Oh, diba?
Kailangan.
Di makabawi ngayon yan. 19-10. Bad reception. Good serve from Benting.
And it's an 8-point lead for the Lady Tigers,
Well,
11-19.
That's not safe for UST. Benting pa yung nagsiserve.
Service.
And remember, we still have Pau Soriano at the front line.
Lastimosa out of position. Tinulak na lamang. Libong Facilis there. Makatuno now. Pau Soriano. Angle dink. Here is De Leon. Walang ka-anggulo yun. Down the middle yun. Parang enjoy na enjoy ang UST sa ginagawa nila eh.
Which is, I think, very good eh. You know, you don't really feel the pressure. Kumbaga, so, yung mas malakas yung chance ang lumalabas yung talagang laro nila.
Right. Pam Lastimosa. Tignan natin kung maayos yung service. She served through 3 points earlier. Good serve here again. Makatuno ngayon. Pau Soriano. Nandun naman si Lastimosa. Masyado malakas. Pineda. Tabingi yung tira. Here's the combination now. G. Reyes. Opya. Puntos para sa UST. 21-11. Emergency time now for Sherwin Meneses.
Sabi ko na sa'yo, di ba dito ka na? Oo, saan ko papaluin? Dito mo na paluin. Isang receive tayo para makapalo si Pau dito. Ha? Kung walang receive, sige, pukul mo na sa open. Kaya pa yan. Pigilan lang natin sa 22, ha? Dimple, receive mo ng konti lang. Receive mo lang. Ha? Huwag yung intindi score. Pagka nasa na lang yung bola, mag-block tayo. Hindi tayo nag-block eh. Paano tayo mananalo?
Well, Sherwin Meneses probably hoping that talaga maayos naman nila yung reception nila. Kita na dito si ang atake. Dito si G. Reyes.
10-point advantage for the UST Tigers as here in set.
Well, again, it starts from reception. Alam mo, nung opening ng Philippine National Games Volleyball Competition, nakausap ko si former Adamson head coach Minerva Dulcipante. Tagal lang kwentuhan namin noon. At sinabi niya, baka dumaan daw siya rito. There's a big chance na manunood siya rito today. Di pa natin siya nakikita do.
Well, dami pa naman ng tao dito, Noel. Baka mahirapan tayong makita.
Baka late pa bumili ng ticket si Coach Mami Dulce. Baka dito sa upper box napunta. 21-12. Nakapuntos naman ng Adamson. Here's Pau Soriano now serving.
Pau Soriano, team captain for Adamson.
We will miss Pau Soriano in the UAAP, that's for sure. Good serve, bad reception from Tunay. 21-13. Yan, sinasabi ni Coach Sherwin Meneses, wag na natin sila papuntahin ng 22.
Soriano.
So, Pau once again.
That's another good serve.
Better reception this time from Dusaran. Bad set from Dimakulangan.
Rare error there from Reyes. Siguro basa na talaga yung bola ng Pawis.
Pwede rin.
Dumulas na.
Pinapalitan naman niya parati sa rotation. Baka kamay din ni Rhea, may basa rin doon.
14.
Trying to wipe it off her knee pads now. Nice serve again from Soriano. Dimakulangan, quick set. De Leon, Mintis.
And it is now a couple of string of errors now for the Lady Tigers.
That is a total of 5 straight points para sa Adamson, or 4 straight points para sa Adamson. Timeout UST.
Ha?
Time out. UST. 21.
Hindi nga. Yung set mo, minadali mo. Yung palo mo, minadali mo. Single block ka naman eh. Ha? Makikita mo naman sa ibabaw mo paluin. Ha? Direksyon na lang. Depende sa pwesto ng katawan mo. Minadali nyo mo. 4 points na lang kukunin natin. Hindi naman porket pinalo nyo, 2 points agad. Receive muna. 1 good pass, combination, iikot tayo.
May kita naman natin dito si Coach Ojimamo, not very concerned yet. Medyo naiinis lang. Medyo lang naman.
Medyo lang. But of course, what UST actually had a comfortable lead already. So the last thing, of course, Coach would want is that yung tumikit yung score.
Well, let's see if UST can snap out of this funk. G. Reyes. Makatuno attacking. Tunay keeping it alive. Here's Jesse De Leon. Nice block by Guevara. D-Mac now going to G. Reyes again. Villanueva keeping it alive para sa kupunan ng Adamson. Pineda free ball. Chance now para sa Tigresses.
They go to Reyes off the block.
Pineda, nandun pa rin. Makatuno ngayon. Quick set. Guevara, kinaliwa. Buhay pa rin. Dinanibang sa haba. Ay, yun.
Violation error called up against UST.
Di makulangan na matatawagan doon, Ivy. That's 5 straight points now para sa Adamson.
So don't look now. Ang kalamangan talagang lumilit.
Isipin mo, simple ng instruction ni Sherwin Meneses. Huwag nyo na silang paabutin ng 22. Yan nga ginagawa ng Adamson ngayon.
It's another good serve.
Tignan natin if they can get it done here. Ah, yes, De Leon off of Villanueva.
22.
Jessie will sit. Babalik si Julian Caballejo sa larong ito. So pinasok na ulit yung veterano, this time to serve. Caballejo, her last year of eligibility. Wala na eligibility after this year.
Yes.
Good serve by Juday. Here's Bang. Reyes, masyado malapit sa net. Inabutan ni Micah Ortiz.
Another point now for the Lady Falcons.
22-17. Ito yung ginawa ni Sheila Pineda doon sa commercial nila eh. Nag-serve. Di ba? Napanood mo ba yung commercial?
Yes, a very nice commercial.
Yes.
Lalo nga lumutang yung mga kagandahan ng ating mga
Ay,
players.
yun nga lang. Yung serve niya sa commercial, in. Ito. Fault.
Hindi nag-over.
Oo.
That was a very crucial error now for the Lady Falcons. UST just needs 2 points to close out this set.
23-17. D-Mac. Ganda ng challenge doon ni Makatuno. Ang tapang eh, no? Villanueva. Caballejo. Running attack. Ortiz. Masyado malakas.
Outside.
Yan,
And
check ball,
UST asking for a check ball. Pero sabi ng ating referees, malinis.
Efren Gan, Adrian Tabanyag. International referees in charge of this game.
Siguro minsan advantage yun if you're not really too tall over the net.
Right.
So, mas madali i-justify na hindi walang touch.
Oh. Good serve there coming from Makatuno. Micah Ortiz denied by Guevara.
Excellent blocking from the Lady Falcons.
So 23-19. Apat na lang po ito. Actually, dumaan muna kay Villanueva bago pumunta kay Guevara. Take a look at that one. See? Nadaplisan ni Villanueva. Napunta kay Guevara. Napaganda pa para sa Adamson.
I think that was perfect timing from the both blockers of the Lady Falcons. Oh, muntikan na.
And now, set point for UST. Two service errors yun, ha?
Both costly errors for the Lady Falcons. You know, just putting in those serves could have made a difference here in this set.
5 set points for G. Reyes. Makatuno. Benting. Balanca!
Solid block from Mike Ortiz.
The Great Wall of España strikes again. 25-19. UST now takes a 2-1 lead. Nakikita natin dito sa ating shake and play. Sabi ni Micah Ortiz dito, saan ka pupunta bata? Kandado si Angela Benting ng Blanca. Dito po sa ating Shakey's Feeling, and of course, our EVP and Chief Financial Officer of GMA Network Incorporated, si Mr. Felipe Yalong is in attendance as well. Yan ang mga fans din natin talaga, no?
Oh, and of course, thank you very much for the support for being here. And
Thank you.
meanwhile, ito naman ang third set statistics. UST continues to dominate the game in terms of attacking. Talagang mas maraming na-execute na puntos. And they work very well with the blocking as well. 4 points from blocking as compared to only 1. And it was pretty easy for UST to win in set number 3. Again, Noela, kasi one contributing factor na naman doon is the fact na nahirapan ng Adamson makakuha ng magandang reception.
Well, yung reception talaga has to be key para dito sa Adamson to win against UST. Maliliit sila kumpara sa UST. And now UST strikes first. Dito po sa ating fourth set. Mula po dito sa Phil Sports Arena, we are coming to you live on GMA News TV. Sa buong Pilipinas po at sa buong mundo sa GMA Pinoy TV. Noel Zarate, kasama po ang Remulla Sisters. Ito na po ang Sudden Death Sunday. Guevara, Zapanta. Here's Di Maculangan and Micah Ortiz gets it. May net violation pang natawag kontra sa Adamson.
So that is really a point that cannot be disputed to be awarded to the Lady Tigers. And it is Rhea de Maculangan at the service line.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Good serve. Here is Makatuno now for Zapanta. Dusaran is there. Ortiz getting it across. Free ball from Benting. Di Maculangan ngayon. Kay Reyes muli pumunta. Ortiz. Reyes, denied again by Guevara. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Reyes, pangatlong beses. Zapanta naroon. Pineda, Mayet, elevates. And there is a violation.
A net violation error called up against the Lady Tigers. But that was a good rally. Talagang matindi ang depensa and coverage of both teams.
Alam mo, kanina rin nakita ko yung mga ilang miyembro ng Bomberinas nandito rin ngayon. Sila Joy Benito also in attendance ngayon. So everyone in volleyball is showing up dito po sa Phil Sports Arena. Nice block from Faye Guevara. Tabla tayo, 2-all. Tandaan natin yung second set. Ivy, ganito rin nagsimula ang set para sa Adamson. May Makatuno.
Service good.
Here is Di Makulangan. Reyes denied by Guevara.
Good blocking from the Lady Falcons.
Guevara and Zapanta at the scene. Kita mo naman dito. It's all Mayet actually. Ganda ng timing. Mayet, Zapanta. Makatuno. Dusaran. Di Makulangan ngayon for Tunay. Tunay na nahimik na after that first set. Here's Guevara. Di Makulangan. Back set ngayon. Mela Tunay cross court. Dug up there by Makatuno. Zapanta kanina pa hinihingi. Dima.
Ortiz.
Ay. Pag hindi mo naunahan si Micah, that's it.
Yes. And definitely, pag ang magbablock niyo kay Micah Ortiz, you don't have any open space.
And this power spike coming from Micah Ortiz, brought to us by Rexona Antiperspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Tabla tayo, 3-all. And Zapanta.
Poor reception there.
Yeah, Makatuno, hindi na naisalba yun. So labang po muli ang UST, 4-3. Fourth set action, labang po ng 2-1 ang UST. Once again, if you're just joining us, Aiza Maizo is not playing for UST today. Yan po yung nagsaserve. Si G. Reyes ang nag-start in her place. Here's Zapata off the block. Wala na makakaabot.
Mayet Zapanta really contributing a lot to the Lady Falcons.
As I'm sure the fans of Adamson are saying, it's about time na ipinasok si Mayat Zapata. Very talented hitter. A veteran actually. Ito si Mayat Zapata. Faye Guevara. Di Makulangan. And
that's outside.
Naabutan ba? Hindi daw naabutan ni Guevara.
No touch.
So 5-4. Adamson na may kalamangan. Rexona Antiperspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Faye Guevara. Nako. Kita mo yung reaction ni Pineda doon. Nakita yung pababa yung bola. Parang ano ba yun?
Very costly. You know, those are the kinds of errors talaga na hanggat maaari iwasan eh.
Yun din ang isang malaking bugtong din sa akin eh. How can you have a service error that low? Naman okay lang yung dumadapli sa tape of the net. Pero yung mababa parang di na ma-spelling yung ganun eh. Lebon Pasil on the reception. Here's Pao Soriano. Turned back by De Leon. One more time around. This time they go to Benting on the delay. Back set. Zapanta off the block of De Leon. Di Makulangan ngayon. Combination. Lastimosa. Nandun naman si Zapanta.
Pineda. They go
Pineda.
to Zapanta once again.
Here's Reyes. Di Makulangan. Lastimosa. Cross court na naman. Hindi na makabutan ni Makatuno at Lebon Pasil.
No, good effort though from May Makatuno. She was almost there.
Oo.
Konti na lang. Isang hakbang na lang. Abot na eh.
Si Lebon Pasil, iniwasan pa kasi yung poste. Si Makatuno sa ilalim na ng net duman. Ito mo, asan? Biglaan nawala. Oo, asan na? Oink! Kasya siya dun.
Good
Grabe,
effort
no?
from May Makatuno. You really have, well, we have to, although it was a point for UST, but we have to commend Makatuno for the effort there.
Service ace coming from Micah Ortiz. Dalawa na abante ng UST. And if you're OG Mamon, dapat sabihin mo, iwanan nyo na sila ngayon din.
Take the opportunity.
Service. Ortiz.
Eto ngayon, si Ortiz once again. Lebon Pasil, masyado malakas. Zapanta, binalik. Lastimosa. Yun na, nabakan na
Solid
siya ni Pao.
block from Pao Soriano.
Sabi ni Pao, kanina ka pa.
Pao Soriano scored 4 points over at set number 3.
Naman naman yan. Sabi ng Pao, saan ka pupunta? Ha?
Perfect timing from Pao Soriano. So huli na niya yung cross-court itong si Pam Lastimosa.
Here's Reyes. Di makulangan. Quick set de Leon. Denied by Soriano. Here's Lastimosa. Nandun na naman si Soriano. Banggaan si Pineda at si Libong Pasil. 8-6 UST. Set 4. We'll be right back.
Ang toging puno ng sustansya, hindi lang panglumpia. Bibida rin ito sa mga paboritong pagkain ng mga chikiting. Muling buhayin ang mga tradisyonal na panghimagas. Para sa walang kasing sweet na food trip, it's back to school. Kaya ang mga pinaglumaang school supplies, bibigyan ng makeover para muling magamit ng mga bagets. Maganang buhay kung may good news. Linggo pagkatapos ng Idol sa Kusina.
Ito ang Haika Diva Twak Edition. May hahamon sa'yo, Jonalyn. Hindi ba masigit ang dance mo? Hindi naman po.
All the wings of the
Parang hindi ka tao.
Back in the show, ladies and gentlemen, at the Phil Sports Arena, Pasig City. Bato natin ngayon kay Andre Mulya.
Thank you, Noel. The Lady Falcons have to double their effort. Yan ang sinasabi ni Coach Sherwin sa kanyang team. At sinabi pa niya na kailangan pigilan agad ng Lady Falcons ang UST sa net pa lang, even before the ball crosses their side. Pinaalala din niya na importanteng makuha nila ang lamang dahil mas mahihirapan silang humabol. Lastly, sinabi din niya na kailangan nilang kargahan ang service nila so as to stop the execution of combination plays of UST. Noel and Ivy?
Thank you very much, Ann. So titignan natin ngayon if Adamson can react to that. Tatlo na po kabate rito ng UST. Binabati po natin yung mga tropang Itbulaga led by Doc. Mga Dabar Cats. Mga Dabar Cats natin.
Nanonood din sila nitong ating exciting volleyball game.
Yan, si Andre Mulya kumakain natin sa gilid. Ba't kanya kapatid mo, no? Hindi namimigay.
Mamaya.
10-6.
Sa'yo naman ang hindi mamimigay.
Tunay serving.
Oh, good serve from Tunay.
Lumaplis pa sa net yon. Here is Angela Benting and the block of De Leon goes out. Yan din, yung sinasabi mo kanina, Ivy, na malalaki nga ang blockers dito ng UST. Kailangan gamitin na ng Adamson yung laki ng blockers ng UST para makapuntos. Yung nga ginawa rito ni Benting. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shake Ace V-League. Di makulangan. De Leon. Here's Macatuno. Bang Pineda. Denied. One more time around. Pineda. Di makulangan ngayon. Lastimosa. Dug up there. Oh, nice attack there coming from Macatuno. Nangamote UST.
So this is a free ball and expect to give it to Pao Soriano, of course.
And Soriano nilusot sa blockers and Soriano scores.
And there was a bit of miscommunication there from USC. Nagtinginan na lang si Tunay at si Di Makulangan on who would be saving that last ball.
Nagulat sila sa tira ni Macatuno. And that jolted their defense out of position. Benting once again. Tunay. Di makulangan. Masyado malapit. Di na masasagip ni Lastimosa yan. Eto na naman tayo. Adamson. Isa na lang ang kalabakan ng UST. Coming from 4 points down. Here is Benting.
Oh, service good.
Di makulangan. Lastimosa off the block. Lebong Fasil. Macatuno. Soriano. Tabingin tira. Lastimosa!
Once again, it is that cross-court of Pam Lastimosa.
And now Amanda Villanueva, papalitan naman ngayon si Bang Pineda. So kailangan palakasan na talaga ng tira ang mangyayari dito. 11-9. Lastimosa to put it in play. Good serve by Lastimosa. Here's Amanda Villanueva. Palakasan ba ng palo? Ikaw mo!
Did make the line.
Grabe yung power that is generated by this diminutive girl. She's about 5'5". Pero tingnan mo naman ang lipad niya rito.
Pero tingnan mo naman ang take-off, Noel. Alas kalahati na ng court ang pinanggalingan.
Yeah, no doubt about that. That was in. Sabi ni Tunay out. Sabi ni Oji Mamon, malay ko sa inyo. 11-10 UST. Good serve from Soriano.
UST now struggling with their reception.
11-all. Ito na ang habol ng Adamson. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Pau. Lusaran. Di Makulangan. Reyes. Turned back by Guevara. Dimac attacking. Villanueva. Di Makulangan. Quick set. De Leon. Ang ganda ng block ni Villanueva at ni Guevara.
Good block there from Villanueva. I think it was Villanueva who had a hand at that.
So the bench players for Sherwin Meneses starting to become a factor dito po sa ating laban na ito. Makikita natin ang huling supalpal. Yes, that was all Amanda Villanueva. Timeout UST.
Yung bola, lambot-lambot. Pwede mong dilaan eh. Nagtatago ka, ayaw mo dumipensa, ayaw mo mag-coverage. Kasali ka dyan.
Huwag nyo na palayuin.
Isa pa lang, tumawag lang ako kasi dire-diretso na naman pababa yung puntos. Okay? Konting gising lang, panggising lang. Malayo pa.
Ayaw niya paabutin ng 5th set talaga ito. As we will take a look at our previous play from that defensive gem coming from Amanda Villanueva.
A very good substitution there from Coach Sherwin.
Again, yung mga players na ipinasok niya, si Pat, nursing the injury, hindi ginamit. So ito ngayon si Soriano. Di Makulangan ngayon. De Leon off the block. Hoy, kinarate na lamang ni Mayat Zapanta to keep it alive. Amanda Villanueva blocked by Jessie De Leon.
So gantihan lang ito, Noel.
Oo.
That was good block from Jessie De Leon.
Romes back si De Leon.
Bawi.
Oo. Tied at 12. Very close 4th set. De Leon serving. Lebong Fasil. Makatuno. Amanda turned back. Lebong Fasil naitawid yung bola. Di Makulangan across. G. Reyes. Lebong Fasil is there. Makatuno. Guevara on the quick.
Excellent play from Guevara. Good decision also for Makatuno to go ahead with that quickly. Medyo alanganin yung pwesto niya eh.
At saka wala pa rin yung blockers. Nabasa niya kaagad yun. So ngayon, isang kalabangan ngayon ng Lady Falcons. Amanda Villanueva serving. Nice serve from Villanueva. Di Makulangan ngayon para kay Reyes. Reyes, malakas.
Sends it outside. That is, I think, the second or third time that Reyes had sent it out home run eh.
And this is where Oji Mamon misses Aiza Maizo's presence ngayon. Wala si Aiza Maizo sa team. G. Reyes starting for her. 14-12 Adamson. Si Reyes ang tinarget ni Villanueva. Reyes masyado malapit sa net. Easy pickings there for Guevara. Still alive. Tunay across. Benting. Makatuno. Running attack for Guevara. Kept alive by Dusaran. Here's Micah Ortiz. Yes!
I'd expect Micah Ortiz to target the end zone of the defense ng Lady Falcons. Ilang beses na yung ginagawa ni Micah Ortiz.
Right. And again, Micah Ortiz is the tallest player on the floor ngayon. So kitang-kita niya kung saan niya ilalagay yung bola. 14-13, 1-point lead na lamang para sa Adamson. D-Mac serving. And Makatuno tried to be creative pero nakabang naman si Ingrid Reyes.
Again, a lot of, well, that wasn't exactly the best of receptions either. So medyo overball na rin. She really just had to make do.
Tabla tayo, 14.
Service. Di Makulangan.
Rhea. Lebong Fasil. They go to Zapanta on the open and Zapanta sends it long.
No touch.
15-14. Bumalik ang kalamangan sa UST. That is now, ano ba yan? 3 straight points para sa UST.
Di Makulangan.
On the serve of Rhea Di Makulangan. Lebon Fasil once again. Good reception this time. Zapanta off the net.
And that's with a little help from the net. Zapata scores for the Lady Falcons.
I think kailangan yata mag-pacing tayo ng konti. First game pa lang to ha. Wala pa yung championship game mamaya. Masasaksiyan niyo po yan dito sa GMA News TV. The final doubleheader of the first conference. What an exciting finish to the 10th season of the Shakey's V-League sa first conference. Here's Mela Tunay ngayon. Wow, Lebon Fasil getting to that one. Benting free ball. Di makulangan, back set. Tunay!
The block.
16-15. Dikdikan po dito sa ating fourth set. Kami po yung balik. Malakas ang tira ni Benting. Dalawang abante rito ng UST. But you get the feeling that Adamson is not yet done with this game. G. Reyes. Here's Villanueva. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Benting. Here's Di Makulangan now. Nice dig there coming from Makatuno. Lebon Fasil. Mayat Zapanta out of position. Di Makulangan ngayon for Lastimosa. Lastimosa again cross court.
It seems like nahihirapan na mabuti to Lady Falcons in reading out Pam Lastimosa's attacks.
Well, ngayon, ta-timeout na ito si Sherwin Meneses. UST is up by 3.
Adamson score 15 for the Lady Falcons. 18.
Oh, okay na yun ha. Okay na ha. Pag walang receive, wala tayong magagawa. Talagang ibabato lang sa open. Pag may receive, tumba. 5, C. Wala ka na isang block. Ha? No choice yan. Pag walang receive, ganda mo lang sa open. O cover naman. Isang patay lang tayo. Receive, focus sa receive.
Hindi pa rin natitinag itong si
Hindi pa rin.
Sherwin Meneses.
Very relaxed pa rin magbigay ng instructions.
Wow. And again, later on, ladies and gentlemen, after this match will be the championship game. Hindi natin pwede sabihin third game of the best of 3. Hindi na. Championship game na.
That's right.
Oo. Between NU and Ateneo for the first conference title of the Shakey's V-League. Nung pagdating ko kanina, nilalabas na yung mga trophy. Hinahanda na. So ngayon po magkakaroon ng awarding Mela Tunay.
And that was poor reception from the Lady Falcons. Mela Tunay now with 10 points. It is Pam Lastimosa who's the top scorer for USC with 18 points. Ortiz with 15 and Reyes with 8.
And here is Benting out of position. Kailangan niya ipamigay. Back set ngayon. Yes.
And that goes inside. Tunay with her 11th point.
And now another timeout. Ito na. Medyo panic mode na si Sherwin Meneses.
Lady Falcons score 15 for Hudson.
Isa lang naman gagawin nyo eh. Kung walang receive, anong gagawin? O itaas nyo lang yung bola. O kung may receive, anong gagawin?
Tara, magsalita ka sa isa. Kapit tayo. Walang ayaw, te.
Tara day. Taas mo lang, kahit walang receive, taas mo lang para makapalo ka.
Tara, walang yan. Tara, isa. Tara.
Isang patay lang muna, isa lang ha. Yun lang.
Isang patay lang muna ang kailangan. Talagang never say die. Ito ang kuponan ng Adamson.
5-point advantage for the Tigers here in the fourth set.
Yan po ang aming mapangalan, Noel Zanate, kasama si Ivy Remulla. At patuloy pong aksyon dito po sa ating venue, the Phil Sports Arena. Lebon Fasil, bad reception. Uy, muntik naman net violation si Pam Lastimosa ron. And now, Tunay coming to life in the fourth set.
And again, it is the reception that is plaguing the Lady Falcons. Dahil sa reception nga sila nahihirapang umabante dito sa puntos.
Napauna po sa 15 puntos itong Adamson after leading at 1 point here in the fourth set. Oh, Lebon Fasil with a bad reception. And you have to get her confidence back. Si Kate Lebon Fasil seeing action for Princess Listana sa larong ito. Listana is on the bench, has not seen action. Nandito po siya. Lebon Fasil.
Obviously, she's been targeted now by the servers.
Here's the back set now for Tunay. Lebon Fasil, this time keeping it alive. Makatuno ngayon for Zapanta. Dusaran. Di Makulangan. And then, Micah Ortiz, parang nagulat pa.
Micah Ortiz, it has been that same spot in back row ng Adamson defense.
Bakit naghihiyawan? Sino na naman ang dumating? Ay, hindi, yung mga taga-Ateneo, pumwesto na. 23-15, 8-point lead. Now a 9-point lead as Lebong Basil cannot get it again.
And again, it has been the reception that has cost the Lady Falcons itong mga puntos na nakukuha ng UST.
9 match points para sa UST. Zapata denied. Benting na ilusot. Hindi pa daw tapos ang Adamson, sabi ni Dai. Emnas will come in. Dalawang setters na ang gagamitin dito. Emnas in to serve. 2 setters in now para sa kupunan ng Adamson.
Pressure service now for Emnas.
Good serve, however. Di makulangan. Back set, Tunay. Daga pa Emnas. Here is Pao Soriano off the block. Lastimosa keeping it alive. Di makulangan. Lastimosa saved by Zapata. Emnas keeping it alive. Zapata. Di makulangan ngayon for Micah Ortiz. Block by Soriano. Tinawid na lamang dito sa run.
Pao Soriano once again.
And Soriano will not get it.
Outside.
UST will win the bronze medal. 25-16, and for the second straight day, or for the second straight game, nakuha po ng UST na manalo sa loob ng 4 na set kontra sa Adamson University Lady Falcons. But again, Adamson played their heart out here today as well.
Definitely, they really did give UST a lot of yung mga talagang nakakakabang runs dito sa game na to. And this is our shake and play. Pao Soriano with that dink, but that went outside, and that gave UST the bronze.
Taking the battle for third series, this time in 4 sets against the Adamson University Lady Falcons. And now Andre Mulia is with our Shakey's player of the game.
All right, Noel, I'm with our Shakey's best player of the game, scoring 19 points in this match. Pam Lastimosa. Pam, alam natin na malaki yung adjustment ng team ninyo ngayon. Wala si Aiza Maizo. Ano yung ginawa ninyo to compensate for her loss today?
Sabi lang ni coach sa amin na tiwala, tsaka i-dedicate namin yung game namin kay Ate Aiza. Kaya siguro ganun yung nangyari sa game.
Okay. Gaano ba ka-inspired? Isa dun sa mga minensyon ng ating panel kanina, nakita nila very inspired ang laro ninyo. Ano yung tumatakbo sa isip nyo habang naglalaro kayo?
Siyempre gusto namin na matapos yung season na panalo. Kaya sabi din ni coach na dapat manalo talaga ngayon.
Right. Very well said, Pam. Once again, congratulations to you and the Tigresses. Back to you, Noel and Ivy.
Thank you very much, Andre Remulla. Once again, mga kaibigan, congratulations to UST for bagging 3rd place. Ivy Remulla, your final thoughts before we move on to the championship game.
Definitely a well-deserved win for the Lady Tigers, but a good game also played by the Lady Falcons. So hindi pa naman pagtapos ang pagkikita nitong dalawang teams na to, Noel.
And you can see UST, probably the last time we will see Julian Caballejo in this lineup. And of course, yan po, nagpipicture po sila. Maya-maya po, may awarding ceremonies tayo for the UST Tigresses taking this 3rd place medal. Picture taking pala nagaganap. Akala ko ano yung ginagawa nila doon. Pero big game for G. Reyes, big game for Mela Tunay, and of course, big game for Pam Lastimosa. That was the final point. It was teamed out from Pam Lastimosa. UST takes the bronze medal. At sa ilang sandali po, mga kaibigan, it will be the championship game. NU versus Adamson sa aming pong pagbabalik dito po sa GMA News TV.
Inyong datunghayan ang